My name is Gunvor Juul and I'm from Denmark. So I have now a school where I educate people in biomedical therapy. I have all the severe patients. And I have been working together with a Danish doctor who is specializing in sclerosis in patients in the hospital. But she has actually taken my education also, so she has one leg in each field. And we've been working a lot with treating sclerosis patients in a different way because they don't have any luck with it. They actually admit that they don't have any luck. They don't know what to do. So this is one category of patients where I have really used the CBD. Not only the MS and the ALS and the motor neuron diseases and all these different kinds that they diagnose inside there, but neurology as a big field. That's actually most of my patients I've been giving CBD are into neurology of some kind or the other. Not having mobility or having lots of pain related to the nervous system, and there I see the very good results, I would say. For example, I can tell you about a man who is in the middle of his 50s, very energetic person, very creative, an artist, and full of ideas and so forth. Some 2 or 3 years ago, he suddenly was lacking mobility. Not always, but sometimes when he tried to get out of bed, he couldn't get out or he couldn't walk. He used to be in nature. He used to walk a lot with his dogs. Suddenly he couldn't walk, and also he had real pain from the hip and the lumbar area and down the legs, and they would go into cramp sometimes. And he'd been in all the hospitals and nobody could find out what was wrong. He actually didn't have a diagnosis. In the end, of course, they told him to go to psychiatry because there must be something wrong up here. Well, and he came, and also I haven't given him diagnosis. I'm not keen on diagnosis. I want to find out what's not working and why it's not working, and then I don't care about finding a fine diagnosis. But it was definitely a neurological problem, no doubt about it. And I had already given him quite many nutrients, quite many oils, amino acids, and so forth and so on. And then I got this CBD from you. And then I started giving him, and you know, it was like a miracle. After a week on the CBD, he mailed me and said, I don't know if you would believe it or not, but my wife can verify that I have walked 10 kilometers in one day. Huh? Then, of course, I scolded him immediately and said, that is too much to start with after all this. But of course it is, I mean, he has got his life back on this. And he is still on the cannabidiol. And there I think I found out that when it has to do with mobility or pain in legs and back, suppositories are really good. It seems that they are going directly into influence the nervous system along the spine and down into the legs. So I will say that neurological patients with pain, with back problems and leg problems, they always get this form from me, at least first, and it really works very quickly. Also women with endometriosis or PCO or other problems in the womb, I also give this kind because it seems that it works in very well. I have had lots of pain all my life because I'm born with polio, and actually I shouldn't be able to walk. But I only took one suppository for every night for 2 weeks. Then my pain in the back was gone. And I've had pain since I was born, not one day without. So I will say that for these kind of problems, this is very, very good.